Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Black Shadow. Now I purchased this from goinggear.com and I saw this on their clearance section and I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try and see how it works out. So let's open this up and see what's in. Here's a user manual. And we're just going to go ahead and go over the manual here. Shows that it has a 1000 lumen max output. It has high, low, and strobe. And running the Cree XML LED. And runs on 3 RCR123. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. And it looks like you have an O-ring wrapped around the lanyard. Okay. And here's the light. Now this is definitely a compact light. And this is really nice. We're going to go ahead and show you the Cree LED in there. It's got a smooth reflector. So it's going to have some good throwing ability. Steel bezel, that's really nice. This has got a flat finish here. Almost reminds me of my older Sky Rays. And none of them are single LED, of course, they're multi LEDs. But this is really nice. It's really compact. Very nice. Very nice. The button is slightly raised, so that's easy to find in the dark. Nice machining on this. Some basic heat sinking on here. Just a really nice light. Areas where you can stick the lanyard on there. Alright, well let's go ahead and open it up and show you what cells I've got in it. Okay, so here's the head of the light. And show you, I'm running the Olight 650 milliamp. These are protected cells, and it runs 3 of them in there. I'll show you the springs. Pretty heavy duty on the springs there. Very nice. Machining on this is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together. And we'll just go over the light outputs in the UI. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go over the UI with this Black Shadow Queen. And let's go ahead and get this light on. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold to turn that on. And then you click through. It just has high and low. And so we'll double click on this. Get your strobe. And then back to high and then low. High and then low. Press and hold to turn that off. And that's the simple UI for this. So let's take this outside and see how well it does in the wilderness. With the Black Shadow Queen. Starts off on high. Look at that. We're going to go over to the Tree of Life and look at the throw on this. That is really impressive. And look at the beam. From this tiny little light. Look at the throw on this. Usually making the school. Up, it's making the palm trees. Very nice. What an amazing light. Really impressed with this. Okay, we're gonna go across the field here, making the trees across the park. And making the playground across the park. Very nice. I'll show you the beam on this. Look at how well that's doing all the way down the fence line. Very nice. And look at how wide this beam is. Amazing. This is really nice. Show you the beam again. I'm going to put it on the Tree of Life. Look at how wide that spill is. Amazing. We're going to go to the next light output, which is down. And that's still got some really good light output. Usually making 65 feet. Usually got some good range on that in the spot as well. We're going to go over here to the Tree of Life. Still making the Tree of Life. And it is faintly still making the school too. Look at that. This is really nice. I'm very surprised with this. And for the price right now at goinggear.com, can't beat the price on this. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This was surprising for its size and price. This Black Shadow Queen did very well. It's got some really good throwing power. It's more to me of a thrower, and it did real well. Now the run times with these particular type of batteries, only time will tell. I'll do some later tests on it. Hopefully I can get at least an hour, maybe, or more. That would be sufficient for me. But it did real well, and you can get this at goinggear.com, and it's in their clearance section. This is an older model light that you can pick up for $23.95. Now, of course, there is shipping on that, but I went ahead and purchased a Rook from the same manufacturer from that, and I was able to get the free shipping, and I got 2 of the lights, which I'll be doing a video on the Rook here shortly. And I really like this. For the price, it's not bad at all. It's got impressive light output. So my hat's off to Black Shadow. This Queen model is very nice. And I give this a 9 out of 10. And a couple little fingerprints once I was outside. I was looking at the lens that I could actually see the fingerprint right in this area. I tried cleaning off the lens, and it's inside behind the glass. So I took 1 point from that. That's just a quality issue. But as far as performance and anything on the outside of the light, it's just really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed the video on this little gal. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.